she's here asking for your vote. Please give us a round of applause for Cynthia Mason, ladies and gentlemen. Cynthia Mason, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, Miami. How are you today? Good? All right. Well, Miami, I've come to tell you a couple of things. I've come to tell you that we have been on the wrong path, and we have been on the wrong path for a long time. How long are we going to live with extreme right and extreme left politics? That doesn't get us anywhere now, does it? All it gets is arguing, all it gets is more problems. Now, the Unity Party is a good party, and I want to tell you about the Unity Party. Because the Unity Party says, you know what? Forget the extreme left. Forget the extreme right. What we want to do is we want to take those two sides and we want to bring them together. We want to bring them together so we can start working towards a common goal. That's right. That's right. Now, I'm looking out amongst you all, and I know that you look a little doubtful. You look a little hesitant.